campers. Sorry about the beeping noise. You're just going to have to deal with that. The solid tone. That's my diff lock. We're in a low traction situation right now, if you can't tell. Got like 2 inches of ice and snow on the road. So we're taking it nice and slow with the diff locks. We don't have chains on right now because we're still moving forward pretty good. And I think if we stop, we're probably going to have to chain up to get out of this. There's not been anywhere to turn around, or I'd have gone back to Wendover. We're on US 93 alternate. Same road you saw in the previous video, actually. At least the, so I'm actually, my left wheel is on the center line of the road right now. I can feel the rumble strip, and this snowdrift is just intruded into the road from the right. So that's fun. We gotta hope we don't hit any oncoming traffic. Oh, should we chain up here? Do you think we should chain up here? I think we're gonna just try and keep pushing forward as long as we can, as long as we're still rolling. Because yeah, that's deep stuff over there. So what happened is there's chain controls up on I-80, and I-80 is apparently not in good condition snow-wise. And according to Nevada 511, this highway was perfectly fine. Clearly they were wrong. I think the problem comes from the fact that nobody else was driving this highway, so no one knew it was this bad. So, which means we've also not had any plows out here yet. So yeah, I suspect chain controls will be up on this highway as soon as they realize it looks like this. We will be calling and informing them of such things as soon as I am in an area where I have signal again. So yeah, I guess we're not going to be making our delivery on time probably. If weather like this is to be encountered across the entire state, we will likely not make our delivery. The annoying part about this, so we have a Walmart load going to Sparks, Nevada. At least we can see now. That's nice. We've kind of gotten out of the blizzardy bit. I've just got to make sure I don't accelerate now, because we're still on real bad traction scenario. Look how much snow is on my wipers. Let's just fling that off. Doot, 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 doot. Alright, that's better. Yeah, so the problem with Walmart is we could have driven this load during the day when the roads were fine, but the weather's been iffy all day, and we're going to the Walmart DC in Sparks, Nevada. Sparks, Nevada being very close to a place called Donner Pass, which is a very snowy Sierra Nevada mountain pass that goes from Reno to Sacramento. And it has a tendency to choke with snow, which is what it's doing right now. It's named for a rather famous situation in which a group of settlers called the Donner Party got stuck up there and wound up resorting to cannibalism before they were rescued. So not ideal. Not ideal. It is beautiful out here though, isn't it? But yeah, so that pass is closed right now, so all of the truck traffic is getting to the Nevada state line, the California-Nevada state line, and being stopped and turned around. So that was ongoing for more than a day before we could have gotten there. So there's not going to be any available parking anywhere near our customer because they're in the thick of that. So it was like, all right, so we have to wait and start our clock such that we can get to our customer on time in one shift, because I didn't have enough time to drive partway, break, and then drive the rest, and I could not expect to find parking close to the customer. And they don't allow early delivery at Walmart DCs. This one's actually a little bit different from most. Most Walmart DCs only let you in an hour early. This one, because they have particularly slow security guards, they'll allow you in 2 hours early. But that's it. So we were just trying to do the just-in-time delivery thing, and it turns out the weather is not going to cooperate with us. That's fine though. That's fine. We'll aim for like Fernley, Nevada tomorrow probably. I suspect I'm going to shut down at some point tonight as soon as we get out of the snow. Assuming we get out of the snow. For all I know, it's like this all the way to Ely. Ellie? I don't know. I think it's Ely. You can see, so there was a vehicle ahead of me. For some reason, he appears to have driven just in the middle of the road, judging from the tire tracks. There was a truck that went northbound. I met him right back at Wendover. Unfortunately, he did not have a radio to warn me about this. It's fine. We'll be out of this mess soon enough, I think. It's just, I thought you all might enjoy seeing the state of this highway that we are driving on today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Hopefully, I know it's, at this rate, it'll probably be in Nevada again. I know we've been kind of on a Nevada spree, but we've just been doing a little Nevada loop here. Up, down, left, right, side to side, charmed, strange. It's just Nevada all the way down. So, you know, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Ellie O'Dare. Come find me on Twitter at Ellie O'Dare, no apostrophe in the usernames. And from there you can find all my other little social media profiles. The snow is looking smoother, and I don't like that. Smoother snow is fresher snow. On the bright side, it looks like the guy ahead of us got back into this lane, so that's an improvement at least. So we know we haven't come across him stranded anywhere yet. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, I can see pavement again. Also, my truck just warned me to watch out for ice because it's on top of things. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Yay, pavement! A little bit of pavement anyway. Not a lot.